Okay, we're back from the show now, and was it a good one? Yes, it was. It was very, very good. Lots of different features that I did like about it, but it's time, I think, to report on the goodie bag. Here's the goodie bag. What did we get in it? Well, tape roller for emulsioning, a Harris brush. What about that? These are interesting. They're tie wraps, but rubberized tie wraps by Schneider, and there's lots of them in there. You tear them off the strip, apparently, and the good thing about them is you can undo them, unlike tie wraps. So pretty good. Yeah. Mask. Always good to have a mask. Gloves. Always good to have gloves. Padlock. Always good to have a padlock. Batteries, after batteries. And then a Ico pen, and I understand this has got a marker on the end. Haven't tried that yet. A Screwfix smelly bag for the car. A Milwaukee 2-meter tape. Pretty good. And a Milwaukee marker pen. I've done a film on marker pens, but this is one of the better ones that I reported on. So, there was a football too. I got that in a different part of the exhibition, but hey, how nice of Screwfix to say thank you for coming along to the exhibition. We came quite a few miles, so there's quite a little bit to say thank you for, as well as having made the journey. It was a good exhibition. Looking forward to next year's as well. Finally, thank you for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe and look on Twitter and
Instagram.
Apparently.